First time nyo siya makikita dito sa ating school vlog. And Katrina, first time nyo rin siya makikita. And kaming apat ng Leslie yung magkakasama sa subject na. Shortened kasi kami ngayon. Yung supposed 3:30 class namin, giging 1:30 to 2:30. 2:30. So yung class ko na yun, lecture schedule lang. And then, may lab schedule pa kami, which is 4:50 to 6:10. Pero mangyayari, at nalipas siya to 5:30 to 6:30. So, bali may 3 hours vacant kami within that time. Unfortunately, si Mafia wala. Bye-bye! Ingat kayo! Natuwi na ako mag-isa ko. Actually, I'm going to SM. Hindi na lang ako bibitin. Pa-evacuate kami papuntang Rose Garden. Hey guys. Katatapos namin mag-mock trial. Actually, kami yung nauna for this day. Kasi sila yung sumunod. So, basically, ito na yung pinaka-last ever class namin for this semester. And yung next is finals na namin. So, thank you Lord for giving us the chance.
Yes.
Diba? Para tapusin itong
sasabihin ko sana, yes, di ko na makikita si Raven. Puta, saan mo pala kita sa image?
Ay nako, Leslie, kung alam ko lang naman na hindi ka mabubuhay. Ever since nung lumabas kami doon sa mock trial room na, hindi ko pa nakakausap yung mga groupmates ko. Kasi, binigay ko na lahat ng reviewers, may script na and all. Facts na, super dali. Facts hindi pa nasagot ng maayos.
I love Mark. Ano yung number doon?
Oh, I love Mark.
Password mo sa Facebook.
Bye-bye. So ngayon guys, hi! And we are here right now at Nina's house because we are celebrating her 22nd birthday. Late celebration since 12 yung birthday niya and today is 20. Wala na, matutulog na ako. Si Donald. Ito na? Ito. Same pa rin ba? Okay guys, so today is May 8th and it's currently 7:02 in the evening. Is Katrina's last day. Last day here in Baguio, and this is gonna be my basta bababa ng Sunday since tapos na kami sa aming mga academic obligations and to our internship obligations. So right now, we're just hanging out here at the Patch Cafe. Ito lang sa may around town para makauwi din sa Megat since magpapakpak kami ng mga gamit. So, unfortunately, Lavarias is not here. And we'll just document our session here tonight. So cute. Hey guys, today is May 9, May 9, 2026. I am here with Chris. We are on our way home. And syempre, as I've said kahapon, today is gonna be my last day here in Baguio. At nandito kami sa session Tumatawid. So ayun guys, paggabi na. Actually gabi na. Kasi magsi-7 na, 30, 35, 40, 45. It's 6:45 alright. It's already 6:45. Very cool! Ah! Pangay na ang astigmatism yun. Hey guys, so right now, today is, ano ngayon? It's May 14 and 9:42 in the evening. And ngayon, we are here at Kuya Ambyok's house. Hindi ko nga alam eh. Ano gagawin natin? Manilibre ka? Ako. Sige. Anyways guys, so we're just waiting for the chicken to be, mapalambot kasi nilagay namin siyang matigas kasi since nasa freezer siya, so alam mo yung ko. Anyway, so yun, we're just here waiting for the food. And ngayon guys, I'm currently reading Tuesdays with Maury by Mitch Albom. So I just got this from the booksellers sa my FB group kasi I don't wanna buy the overpriced book sa may fully book since you could buy a book like this lower than the original price. So I just got this at 150 sa may fully book ng 500 bro. Actually, 600. Like, almost 600. So, grabe pinagkapulisan ako, guys. Sabi ng tito ko, sa Tito Dizon. Magte-10 na. Yung mga kasama nyo, naghihintay doon.
Kami nga, naghintay kahapon.
And, my mom is getting mad.
Electrician.
Gilbert, pagod ka na? Sabihin mo, para pumunta na ako dyan. Pagod ka na? Kung kuna naman, oo, kunakot. Pagod ka na?
Hindi ba?
Okay. a Sunday and it's currently 12:35 in the afternoon and we are currently here at the JP's Play Shop. Just beside here sa may sa may Jollibee. And I am here with, you know, the weirdos. Oh my God!
Hindi naman niya ginawang ano. Hindi natin niya...
We're here again. I mean, I'm here again in Baguio and I'm here with... Who the hell is that? She looks so ugly, bro. I'm here with Katrina and we are on our way for our lunch here in SM because I just finished my clearance. Napasayin ko na siya but unfortunately,
Uy, pero
hindi
i-chat mo pa
mapaprocess
rin.
yung COR ko, bro. Sayang yung pag-akyat ko. Whatever. Tapos kanina ang nostalgic. Tama ba? Nostalgic or nostalgia? Ang nostalgic kasi ang dami naming nakitang mga co-interns namin from our internship.
Co-interns.
Yeah, co-interns. They're
Ayaw
also-
pang aminin na co-intern sila nun ah.
Di ka ba taga Baguio, B?
Pagkabagyo.
Tangina nito. Katrina.
Nakalimutan ko na pala yung ano. Ngayon ako lumabas, sorry.
Fake Baguio kid ka. Anyways,